Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to review Boxycharm for May. We're going to go over what I got, if I like it, over the products and prices, how I created this look with the products I received in my Boxycharm. So please keep on watching. I hope you enjoy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review May's Boxycharm that I just received today in the mail. The theme is Mother Nature, very fitting because May is for Mother's Day. And then my variation is 61 right there. The first thing I'm going to pull out is the Glam Glow Berry Glow. So this is one of the items I chose. So for every month you get to choose one item out of the 5 you get, and this is the one I chose, the Glam Glow, because I have super sensitive skin. Everything breaks me out, everything irritates me, so I have to be very careful what lotion, what primer, what foundation, etc. I have to use for my skin. If not, I'll break out. So Glam Glow is supposed to, this is supposed to boost your skin and make it radiant, so I'm pretty excited. Sorry for the motorcycle noise in the back, but I'm super excited to try this out because I heard great reviews about this, and I heard that it smelled like a berry smoothie. Oh, and it does. It does. It doesn't have a stronger berry smell. So that's the consistency of it. Feels hydrating. Can't wait to use it. I'll probably do a review on this, not in this video, probably another video, or I'll put everything together. Who knows? I have nothing but time in my hands now. The next item in my Boxycharm is the Huda's Laboratories, and this is the Lady Gaga makeup brand. So this is the eyeliner. Pretty cool. It has a different. It's not your typical eyeliner shape, which I like. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's really black and pigmented. Look. It has a very nice tip to it, so you can make a close eyeliner. I'm pretty excited to try this out. So I'm trying to see. Smudged a little. That's because I had the this in my hand, so that's why I smudged. But other than that, it's pretty nice. So, oh, I'm sorry, I did not tell you the value of this. This goes for $49. The eyeliner goes for $20. Not bad. And the next thing on my list is the Pretty Vulgar Uncage eyeshadow primer. I personally don't use eye primer. I just use my concealer. But it's nice to try something new. I used to have the Urban Decay Potion one. I have it here. Oh, it has no color. It feels very nice, very smooth. There's some stickiness to it, so hopefully it works. And my eyeshadow will last throughout the night. It has no smell. No smell whatsoever. Okay, the next thing I have is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Correcting Primer, Energizing, and Rescue. So this is the first time I'm going to use a Pure Correcting Primer. Again, my primers are the Pure, look at that, the Pure Professionals. It's white. Oh, it smells slightly fruity. It smells really good, actually. Really good. This values for $33. So that's not bad for a product that's supposed to say 4-in-1 correcting primer. Silicone free, that's nice. Okay, cool. And then lastly is the Tarte. This is the Tarte one. So I was excited to get this because to take off my makeup, I straight up just use olive oil and a wet makeup remover wipe to remove my makeup. So I'm excited to try this out. This is how it looks on top. So you just pump it like an acetone. Like you go to the nail salon, you see the women pumping the acetone. That's what the top is. It has no smell. So I'm pretty excited to try this. And this goes for $18. For $18, you get a lot. So I'm pretty impressed. This is a gentle no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wearing makeup excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin of natural moisture. Oh, this sounds perfect for me. For anybody who has dry skin. So I'm gonna use 3 of the 5 items that I have in this video, and then the other I'll probably do another review or give you an update once I am done using that. Alright guys, so this is my final look using 3 products out of the 5 of my May Boxycharm. So my review for the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer is amazing. I put it on a thin layer as you saw, and I just blended my eyeshadow perfectly. I only used 2 colors because I didn't want to go too crazy. But the eyeshadow blended beautifully. I'm really impressed with the shimmer though. I wanted to test out the primer by itself with the shimmers because normally I wet my brush, put the shimmer on, but with this primer the shimmers went in and it stuck. Like, it really stuck. I could really pack it and not have to wet it. But if you do want that more metallic look, of course wet your brush to get that more metallic look. The eyeliner, oh my god, the eyeliner was so easy to use because I like having a thin eyeliner. I don't like pretty thick. Only if I'm doing a cut crease, that's when I go crazy with eyeliner. But other than that, this worked really well. Super black, super pigmented. Only went over it once. That's it. Most of the time, even my favorite eyeliner from NYX, the matte one, I have to sometimes go over it twice. But this is perfect, and because the tip is so thin, I was able to get really close to my lash line, and that's always hard for me because I'm always like twitching or something, I don't know. And then lastly, the primer, the Pure 4-in-1, it went on smoothly. Again, can't really say. I have to wear this primer out, see how it reacts with my skin, to see if I have any irritation, if it itches. If it does, unfortunately, then I'll give this to my sister or a friend. But other than that, everything else worked out pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you can see and hear when I upload new videos. And please follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. It is Kiki Moon, Kikimun, and thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye.